In this lesson, I'm going to cover how to post an announcement to your students. If you scroll down on the course page, you will see that there is an automatic announcement link. This is usually always there when you create your course. And if you look on the right-hand side, you will see that we've got a latest announcements block. Now, this was there when we pretty much set up our course, but if it's not there, you can always go ahead and turn editing on, and then you can add the latest announcement block right over here. So to post an announcement, it's actually pretty simple. You don't even need to go into editing mode. You can simply click on announcements. And we're going to go ahead and create a new topic. So we're going to click on add a new topic. We're going to add a subject line. I'm going to call this first virtual meeting. And I've already got a description over here that I posted. We're going to post a message, and this is a message that I want to send to my students. We're holding our first virtual meeting this coming Wednesday. I want to go ahead and bold Wednesday 10 a.m. just so that it stands out. Let me go ahead and add a date. And I typically like to have these virtual meetings once a week with my students. It gives me an opportunity to engage with them in person and allows them also to ask me questions about anything that is related to the topic for that particular week. All right, so once we've gone ahead and created our message, we're going to go ahead and click on Post to Forum. And the message is now posted right there. If we go back to the course page, you will notice that right there, we've got an announcement that is showing up. Now, if you recall, we actually had our announcements set so that they are forced subscription, which means that the students will receive a notification that there is an announcement. And if you're not sure whether or not you have your announcement set to provide a forced subscription, which means all students will receive a notification, you can go ahead and click on Turn Editing On, scroll down to the announcement, and then click on Edit Settings. And if you scroll down to the settings for the announcements, you'll see the subscription and tracking option. And you'll see that I currently have it set to forced subscriptions. If you click on a little question mark icon right here, let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. It says forced subscription. Everyone is subscribed and cannot unsubscribe. It also says that when participant is subscribed to a forum, it means they will receive forum post notifications. So that's basically what the forced subscription is for. And this is how you post announcements on Moodle for your students.